Hi, I'm Giovanni. I've been working as a coder for 17 years and I've got a solution that I'd like to share. Have you ever wished you could have multiple Claude Code sessions communicate with each other, schedule prompts to fire when you need them to, easily manage Git work trees? That's why I built Echorb. Let's have a look. This is Echorb. Transform your solo development into a full AI team. Run multiple specialized AI assistants simultaneously. There's a Windows and a Mac OS version. You get 60 days for free. So download it, install it. You don't need to use your credit card. Just add your email and get a free trial key in your email address. After 60 days, it's gonna be $10 per month. So yeah, try it. I hope you enjoy it. Let me go over to the app and show you what it does. Okay, so this is the app. You can go to manage Echorb instances, and it starts off with just the system orchestrator. As you can see there, I'm running Claude Code at the moment. You can switch to other CLIs and add custom CLIs as you need to. We're not sure that all these CLIs will work, but go play with it, have a try, and see how it works for you. So I'm just going to show you how I can get Claude Code to communicate with multiple instances, and yeah, let's try something. So let me add a new instance. So you can add instances manually, or you can generate instances from specs or by analyzing existing code bases. I'm just gonna start from a fresh new folder, AI Travels. I'll call this AI Travel Blog, then travel route. So you can specify a system prompt. This isn't an actual system prompt. It gets saved to the claude.md file if you use the Claude Code provider. You use Codex, it's agents, and I'm not sure. Oh, Gemini is gemini.md. Copilot, I think, also works with agents.md. There's other .md files it also works with, and yeah, you can set that all up in the CLI settings, assistant CLI settings screen. If you go there, you can see here, you can just come in here and edit the flags and edit the system prompt file names if that changes for any reason down the line, and it will boot up using that correct information. Cool. So let's start. I'll have to do that again. The AI travels. AI travel route. I'm just calling a travel route because it's the instance that I'm setting to the root of this repository. And then it's created. So there we have that instance. It's also using Claude. I'm currently on Haiku 4.5. Haiku is the latest model they just released, and they say it's got very good agentic capabilities. So let's have a look, see. So this is just pointing to an empty directory, as you saw. From here, I can click here on generate from project spec and then give it a project spec of what I'd like it to do. I'm going to try that quick, just get prompt. Cosmic Getaways. There I've got a little project spec of a travel blog I'd like it to generate. Build an eye-catching travel blog website featuring exotic alien vacation destinations across the universe. Think Lonely Planet meets sci-fi with stunning and AI-generated imagery. Let's see what we can do. I don't know if I'm gonna show the full website generation. Yeah, so this is loading now, trying to generate the instances from the specification that I've given it. So our little system orchestrator will generate the instances, and then our app's going to import those instances that got generated. Other things that the system orchestrator can do, you can ask it to generate a workflow for you and schedule a prompt to fire by multiple different types of triggers. So on the trigger side, you can generate a workflow with a manual trigger, schedule it to execute at certain times, have it watch files, use webhooks to trigger it, or it can trigger on startup. Cool, so it's finished generating those instances. Yeah, so it decided that we needed a front-end developer, image generator, a content creator, and a integration lead. Let's have a look at how we can get these guys to communicate with each other. So you can switch up each instance to use whichever CLI you wanted to use. So you can have Claude communicating with Gemini, Gemini communicating with Codex. Just depends on how you want to use it. If you want to use Gemini's big context window, set up Gemini to use the big context window on a specific instance at a specific time. Switch to Gemini and then have it use that. Let's quickly have a chat with our Echo system orchestrator. Say, hi, please send greetings to our running instances. I just want to make sure that all the instances are running. Okay, so see that one is still starting up. There is a bit of a delay when they start. At first, we're trying to start each instance at its own time, because I've seen instances try and modify the same file in their own config. So having them all start up on exactly the same time sometimes causes issues, but yeah. Okay, so looks like all of them have started up now. Claude Code. All good. So let's send that prompt. So yeah, made a few spelling errors there. You can sort that out. Got it. Let me discover our running instances and send them greetings. I'll reach out to each team member and get them engaged on the Cosmic Getaway project. Cool. Okay, so as you can see, we just received a message from Echo on the integration lead side, and he acknowledged it. Our content creator also received the message and acknowledged it. Looks like everyone did. Image generator. So I've got an MCP server set up to generate these images. For Claude, we have MCP management built in here, so you can go and enable, disable. If you disable a MCP server, you can switch it back on, and then you've got hooks management, sub-agent management, a bunch of stuff there, and a few example MCP servers. They might not work, they might work. If they don't work, it's just an example. You can go and edit it to work. the way you need it to. For the other CLIs, you can go into your assistant CLI settings and also manage those manually by just specifying the path and then open the config using OpenConfig, and it should use the default IDE that you specified from the dashboard there. You need some guidance. There's a little documentation viewer here with getting started documents, advanced core features, and some help that you can also search through. Cool. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna try and get this thing to generate the site. I'm not gonna sit here and wait for it to finish, and then I'll just put that up in a sped up way. I need to go and pick up my little one. Have a good day, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this. Cheers. Okay, I'm back. Let me just throw in the prompt again. A little spec, and ask Echo to coordinate with the team. All instances are configured as Git worktrees, have detailed system prompts, and are assigned to feature branches. Configuration has been saved and is ready for import. Team is standing by, ready to kick off the project whenever you give the signal. Check. The team is imported and ready to kick off the project. Also, okay, so let's do that. Kick off the project. Oh, this is all generated with haiku. I wonder how it's going to come out. Excited energy. This guy's focused, writing code. This one as well. Okay, so I'm just going to ask Echo to create a little workflow to check in with the team every 10 minutes. Perfect. I'll create an automated workflow to check in with the team every 10 minutes. This will keep me continuously updated on phase 1 progress. Setting it up now. Oh, workflow created successfully. So we can go to the workflow section here, and there you can see it active. That workflow should execute every 10 minutes just to keep our system orchestrated in check. And let's just go and execute it manually. I'm not gonna wait for 10 minutes now. Execute it. There we can see it. We've got it executed and it's checking in with the team now. Main branch, the index.html. Just open it. IDE. Okay, let's have a look. There we go. I've got a little block. It's got model pop-ups. Aurora Peak Paradise. Witness the mesmerizing dance of auroras above the ice-capped peaks, a winter wonderland where the sky blazes with cosmic colors and pristine snow blankets the landscape. Aurora hunting expeditions, ice hotels, and thermal hot springs provide unforgettable experiences. Highlights: Northern Lights, ice hotels, thermal hot springs, aurora photography. Oh, looks amazing. Nature Sanctuary. Yeah, so I'll put the links in for these repos, and then yeah, you can go have a look. Yeah, go out, have some fun, and yeah, send me your links to whatever you build in the comments. Cool. Yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.